You know, I was going to try and do this without notes, but now I'm just going to use notes because I've done too many takes. I feel like I'm going to be a reporter on local TV for stuff that, people only watch late at night. So here we go. Talking about the sensors and the channel settings for each individual sensor. Doesn't really make sense to look at it that way. If we group them into 4 different categories, we can pretty much figure everything out without a whole lot of memorization. We know that the EEG sensors all have the same low and high settings, 0.3 to 35 hertz. We know that they all have a sensitivity of 7 microvolts per millimeter, and the sampling rate is always 500, and that's for everything on the sampling rate. So the other group of sensors, and the next group of sensors that we're going to see the most of, are the body position, excuse me, not body position, but EMG sensors. And those have a filter range of 10 hertz to 100 hertz with a sensitivity of 2, same sampling rate. Now there are respiratory sensors, which are the airflow sensor and the respiratory belts, thoracic and abdominal, and those have a sensitivity range of 0.1 to 15 hertz with a sensitivity of 7, same sampling rate. Now there's the EKG, which is its own thing for the most part, but similar settings to the EEG, which would make sense. That's going to start out at 0.3 hertz to 70 hertz, sensitivity of 7, same sampling rate. And then we've got these last 3 outliers, which are the SpO2 heart rate and body position. So the SpO2 and the heart rate have the same sampling rate, which is 25, makes sense because they're usually connected to the same monitoring device. And then the body position sensor has a 1 hertz sampling rate because it really doesn't move fast at all. So that's everything. Probably won't need to know much of that, just the general ideas, I hope. And as Kelly said, I'm not going to touch any of those settings when I go in and talk to the technician in the lab. So that's most important.